at one point or another, you may have been taught to shoot with something called the push-pull grip. This is a grip that's taught in order to increase your accuracy with the firearm and increase the amount of control you have over the firearm, and it does work well for that. The grip works like this. With your support hand, you're pulling back onto the grip of the gun, and with your dominant hand, you're pushing forward. So you have isometric tension holding this weapon in place. And to increase control, to increase your control over the recoil and your shot-to-shot times and your accuracy and all that, it works great. However, it's not a practical grip for self-defense shooters. The reason is it involves this unnatural kind of tension, this unnatural kind of muscle memory. Because under stress, you're just going to be fully focused out there all at once. Furthermore, under stress, you aren't going to have the fine muscular control to modulate the push and the pull so they are of equal tension. One of them is going to dominate the other, and the gun is going to wind up wandering all over the place. Under stress, you're going to throw that gun out there in a symmetric position, which is why the isosceles position is so often taught for self-defense shooters. And you aren't going to be able to do this kind of push-pull thing. If that's the way you're going to have to shoot under stress, it makes much more sense to practice that way and learn how to shoot that way and learn the limitations of that. This push-pull stuff, that's for target shooters. For self-defense shooters, you have to go with gross muscle action and what happens to you under stress, because in a fight, you will definitely be under stress.